guys, it's Brian with SoCo Customs again. We're going to be lifting the Jeep today. This is going up 3.5 inches with some trailing arms. We're going to leave the wheels and tires the same since it's already rolling on some KO2s. Check it out. Final product. We lifted it up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit and replaced the front trailing arms. So the customer decided not to go with new tires yet, since he's already rolling on the KO2s, but this kit will actually fit a 35-inch tire, and we're running on about 32s right now. So as you can see, this kit brings it up pretty level and keeps those body lines very level. Approach and departure angles are already pretty solid on Jeeps, but obviously bringing it up will help quite a bit. This kit will come with a new coil and a new shock on both ends.
We'll be right back.